Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $4.52 that I will be putting into my envelopes, and I already figured out my wallet. That's gonna get $170 this week. This is just my weekly spending for these categories in my wallet. I have spending, which will get 30, eating out will get 30, groceries will get 80, coffee 20, and then buffer 10. And then at the end of the week, I will take whatever leftover money is in here and then roll it over into either Costco or savings challenges. So looks like I have a little bit of money left over. I still have today where I'm spending from them, so it might get spent, but it might stay in here in for my next cash stuffing and go into some savings challenges. So that's $170 going into my wallet. So I'm left with $282 to go into savings challenges, or into my envelopes. But I'm first gonna start off in savings challenges and knock out a couple of these first. So I wanna do this roll the dice one. It's a power up challenge. So I'm gonna grab some dice, some sticky notes, which I don't have with me. Oh, here we go. Okay, here's some sticky notes. I'm gonna roll twice and see what I get, and then that is what I will stuff. So I have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 is a star. That's $1. And then I have 5 and 3. 5 and 3, which actually is a mushroom. So that's $5. So $6 is going into this challenge this week. So I'm going to put that down here. The power up challenge is getting 6. And then do I want to do another one? Trying to decide if I want to. No, I'll come back to this one. Okay, I'm gonna come back to all my savings challenges and just go into my regular envelopes. Oh, if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. It really helps out my channel, so I'd appreciate it because I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals, hopefully by the end of the year. But yeah, if you can subscribe, would love that. It's free, so it's definitely in the budget. All right, so auto this week, I'm going to put, oh, you know what? Actually, I want to focus on a couple of envelopes first. So extra savings this week, I will put 15 or 20. I'm going to do 20 actually in extra savings. Month ahead will get 20 as well. And I have a couple envelopes here. So I want to do Christmas, actually just one envelope. Christmas will get 20. I'm close to my goal for this one, but I'm pretty sure this month I will be hitting that goal, so that's exciting. All right, so that's 20. I can't remember if I calculated everything. So 452, 170, and then 20, 40, 60, and 6. Okay, so I'm left with 216. Right? Why am I second guessing myself? 60 and 6. Okay, 216. That was extra savings, month ahead, and Christmas. All right, now I'm just gonna go down the line in my envelopes. So auto this week, I will put 10 in here. Electronics will get 5. Emergency will get 10. Already did that one. Furniture will get 5. Already did a month ahead. Rainy day will get 10 this week. Registration will get 5. Road trip will get 10. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions this week I'll do 5. And travel will get 10. I just kind of pick and choose like which ones seem like more important than others. So the 5 ones are like the least important ones right now, and then 10 a little bit more important, that kind of thought process, basically. All right, next binder, Beauty. I have 30 in here right now. Do I need anything? I think I need a cleanser soon. So I'll just put 10 in here. Clothing will get 5. Costco will get 5. Family, 10. Gifts, 10. Home will get 5. Household will get, I have nothing in household. I know I need, do I need detergent? I don't know. I'll put 15 in here. Pantry doesn't need anything. This is at 30 and that's my cap for that one. Target will get 5. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make this stretch. The 76 will stretch. All right, so Go Wild will get 5. Disneyland will get 5 this week. Treat Yourself will get 5. Fun will get 5. I like to put something into each envelope, so fives are gonna go all the way around on these. 5. Christmas already did. That's why I like to get these higher priority ones out of the way first. Holiday decor will get 5. All right. And then the last bit will go into savings challenges, which is $46. So I have, this is a $10. Should I do this one 10? I think I'm going to make this one a $5 challenge this month instead of 10. So I'll put 10 in here. Okay, I'm going to change this actually because I have it as 10, but it's going to be 5 now. Just making that decision right now. So that'll be 10. This one it's a new challenge I'm gonna do, so I get to pick which one I wanna do. And I'm gonna do 4. And this one, okay. And then I have this challenge and the cash stash, and then whatever leftover dollars I have for the dollar challenge. Cash stash, oh, I didn't put it over here. To grab my cash stash. So, did I put it here? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm coloring this in right now. I'm not gonna have enough to color anything in. I have some 5 slots open, but I'm not coloring. I'm saving those for later. So I'm just gonna put 10 towards this challenge. And then I have this challenge, the 52 circle. I'm gonna put, I have 22. So I'll do 20. So I'm trying to focus on finishing this one. And then the $2 in the dollar challenge. Okay, so that should be the full 452 for this week. I'm just gonna double check my numbers, make sure I'm all good, and then I can move on to the next part. So my totals look good. So I'm just gonna move on to the next part, which is figuring out the denominations. So auto is gonna be a $10 bill, then I have a 5, 10, 20, 5, 20, 10. Oopsie, I already messed up. Oops. Going a little too fast, All right. This one's supposed to be 10, then 5, then 10, couple 5s, couple 10s, then I have 2 5s, 2 10s, a 5, and now I have a 15, so that's going to be a 10 and a 5, and then I have a few 5s here, a 20, 5, 10, 4, power up is 6, so that's 5 and a 1. 52 circles is 20. Cash stash is 10. And $2 challenge is 2. All right, so now I'm just gonna count the tally. So 50, I need 1, 50, 20s, 20, 40, 60, my goodness, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then 1s, 5, 9, 10, 12. Okay, now to count, multiply these and make sure I have the correct totals. So 50, I have one, that's $50. 20 times 7 is 140. Then 10 times 16 is 160. 5 times 18, 90. 5 times 18 is 90. And then 12. All right, so then I'm just gonna add these all up and make sure it totals out to 452. So 50, 140, 160, 90, and 12. 452, perfect. All right, and then I'm just gonna write out a little sticky note for myself to take to the bank. So, oh, make sure I'm still filming because my phone has been losing space recently, which has been a fun thing that's been happening again. But I have a lot of stuff on my phone that I need to just delete. So that's my issue, is just me not getting to that is causing this issue. All right, so 50 times 1 is 50, then 20. I need 7 of those, that's 140. And then 10s, I need 16 of those, that's 160. 5s, 18 is 90. And then 1s, I need 12, and that is $12. Oops. And that's a total of $452 that I will be getting from the bank today. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you watched to the very end right now, leave some animal emojis down in the comments so that I know that you watched to the very end. But that is going to be it for this video. I will have my cash stuffing up on Sunday where I cashed up all of this, so you can see like how much money came from my wallet, the difference that I'm going to be putting into my savings challenges, so you can see how that all works out. But that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.